There were also protesters at 3 Houston locations involving all this, including at Houston City Hall. KPRC2's Joy Addison spoke with the protesters at that location.
Well, we saw those protests happen in Conroe, the Woodlands, and right here at Houston City Hall. Over 5,000 people showed up here to oppose policies introduced by President Donald Trump and Elon Musk, the director of the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE.
So that we can organize together.
Several Democratic local politicians, including Harris County Attorney Christian Menifee and City Council member Abby Kamen, joined the thousands of protesters who shouted "Stop the coup" with signs that read "Hands off our healthcare and courts" and "Democracy is not for sale." They joined hundreds of thousands of other people across the nation. These protests come just days after President Trump announced the U.S. would be applying tariffs on nations that we frequently trade with, causing the Dow Jones to drop about 10% over 2 days. Organizers say the demonstrations were planned to push back on policies that they feel took away federal jobs, attempted to shut down government agencies, could reduce their health care benefits, and take away their Social Security.
We're going to stand up and say, hands off. Don't hurt our Social Security or our Medicare or our Medicaid or our veterans, the schools.
Libraries. Based on all of that data and proven evidence, it's clear that reforms and improvements need to be made to not only other aspects of our government and bringing efficiencies into programs and policies, but also to Social Security, Medicare, the border, every single program, Defense Department, CIA, everything.
Coming up at 10 p.m., we'll hear more on the policy changes that brought thousands of people out here today to demonstrate. We'll also hear more from that political analyst on what these changes could mean long term. Reporting in downtown Houston, Joy Addison, KPRC 2 News.